the ABC Learning Lane, where learning is fun.
The first recipe is a fruit yogurt parfait. You will need 1 cup of yogurt, 1/2 cup of granola, 1/2 cup of chopped strawberries, 1/4 cup of blueberries, 1/2 sliced banana, 1 teaspoon of honey, mint leaves for topping. First, add a layer of yogurt to a glass. Next, add a layer of granola. Then, add another layer of yogurt. After that, add the fruit, like strawberries, blueberries, and banana slices. Next, drizzle honey on top. Finally, add mint leaves for topping. Fruit yogurt parfait. Fruit yogurt parfait. The next recipe is banana pancakes. You will need 1 ripe banana, 1 cup flour, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of honey. First, mash the banana in a bowl. Next, in another bowl, mix the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Then, add the milk, egg, vanilla extract, and melted butter. Mix well. After that, pour the batter onto a warm pan. Next, cook until bubbles form, then flip and cook until golden. Finally, top with sliced banana and drizzle honey on top. Banana pancakes. Banana pancakes. The next recipe is a fruit salad. You will need 1/2 cup of chopped apple, 1/2 cup of chopped mango, 1/2 cup of chopped kiwi, 1/2 cup of grapes. First, add the chopped apple to a bowl. Next, add the chopped mango. Then, add the chopped kiwi. After that, add the grapes. Finally, mix everything together and serve. Fruit salad. Fruit salad. The next recipe is blueberry muffins. You will need 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 cup of blueberries, muffin cups, a muffin tray. First, add the flour, sugar, and baking powder to a bowl. Next, add the milk, egg, and melted butter. Mix well. Then, add the blueberries and mix gently. After that, pour the batter into muffin cups. Finally, bake until fluffy and golden. Blueberry muffins. Blueberry muffins. The next recipe is fruit skewers. You will need strawberries, oranges, bananas, grapes, blueberries, skewers. First, put a strawberry on the stick. Next, put an orange on the stick. Then, put a banana on the stick. After that, put the grapes on the stick. Finally, put the blueberries on the stick. Fruit skewers. Fruit skewers. The next recipe is a smoothie bowl. You will need 1 sliced banana, 1/2 cup of strawberries, 1/4 cup of blueberries, 1/2 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of granola, a blender. First, add the banana, strawberries, blueberries, and yogurt to a blender. Next, blend until smooth and creamy. Then, pour the smoothie into a bowl. After that, add granola on top. Finally, decorate with banana slices, strawberries, and blueberries. Smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowl. The next recipe is no-bake energy balls. You will need 1 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. First, add the oats, peanut butter, honey, and chocolate chips to a bowl. Next, mix everything well. Then, roll the mixture into small balls. No Bake Energy balls. No Bake Energy balls. The next recipe is frozen yogurt pops. You will need 1 cup of yogurt, strawberries, bananas, blueberries, mango, kiwi, 2 tablespoons of honey, popsicle molds. First, add the yogurt to a bowl. Next, add the strawberries, banana, blueberries, mango, and kiwi. Then, add the honey. After that, mix everything well. Finally, pour the mixture into popsicle molds and freeze until firm. Frozen yogurt pops. Frozen yogurt pops. The next recipe is mac and cheese. You will need 1 cup of cooked pasta, 1/2 cup of cheese sauce. First, add the cooked pasta to a bowl. Next, add the cheese sauce. Then, mix everything well. After that, microwave or heat it until warm. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. And the last recipe is oatmeal cookies. You will need 1 cup of oats, 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. First, mash the banana in a bowl. Next, add the oats and peanut butter. Then, mix everything well. After that, add the chocolate chips and mix again. Next, make small cookie shapes on a baking tray. Finally, bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Oatmeal cookies. Oatmeal cookies. Wow! You did an amazing job learning 10 recipes today. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another lesson. See you next time!